So I'm here. We're in the garage. Hi, Zoey. Hi. Yeah, I got you in there. Are you having fun? First time you've been in there for a long time. Hi, Zoey. Come on. You want my lap? I just took a shower. If you can smell through the screen, sometimes I can do that. Hi, Zobos. Hi. I got her in there. Flash was like standing on top of her, biting her by the right here. Right. So I unripped Flash's teeth, and I picked her up. She was trying to get down while I was walking, and I put her in here, and I took out the door holder thing that keeps the door open. So we now have a Zoey to Mom is back, Mom, wherever she is. Say bye, Zoey. Meow. Aww. Oh, she wishes you good luck.